Hello, myself Sachin, and today we'll learn what are promises. In JavaScript, a promise is an object that represents the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation and its value. You can make a request to a server for the data. It will take time. You will not wait for data to come. Then you will use a promise. Async function always return a promise. If the return value of an async function is not a promise, it will wrap in a promise. A common way to make the API call is by using promises. We can make the use of API libraries like fetch or the Axios. Axios automatically parses the JSON response and throws an error for non-to-access status codes. Now we come to the app. In this app, we have used the use state and use effect. We have three states, one for data, one for loading, and one for error. Current states are null, true, and null for the data and loading and error. Now we have a function fetch data. This function will do the async operation. It will make the API call. The URL is api.sampleapis.com/hot. Okay, so it will come into the form of a promise. When the promise is completed, then we'll have the data. Data will be in the JSON form. Then we'll convert this JSON data into the useful data. We'll parse the data through the line number 17. Now, when we have the data, we will set data into the data. And let's say we have some error, then the catch block will run if error is there, and we'll set the error by the error.message. Finally, when the error or the data has come to us, then we'll set the loading to the false. So we'll run this fetch data into the use effect, and we have the dependency array as empty. That means the effect runs only once when the object is mounted. Then we have the return logic based on the loading error and data state. If loading is there, then we have the loading message. If error is there, then we'll have the error message. And if data is there, we'll have the data from API. And then we'll have the uh, zeroth index or first data and its title. Then we have the last line. This will show that last line will be written first, like you have the last line first, then loading, and then data from API, and data is black coffee. That's it for today. Thank you.